Add Notion task to Slack. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to begin the process. Type Google Chrome, then open Google Chrome on your device. Input Slack into the URL bar. Select the official Slack website. Before continuing, verify that you're already signed into your Slack account using your credentials. Make sure you have already installed the Notion app in your Slack workspace before attempting to create pages or tasks. Open the channel where you want to use the integration and type /Notion create in the message field. Next, enter the database name that matches the corresponding database in your Notion workspace. Type the title you want to create, check the Confirm Page Creation Publicly option, and add any additional properties as needed for the new page. After completing the required information, click Save to create the page. A notification from a Notion app will appear in Slack, confirming that your page has been created successfully. Once the page has been created, type /Notion task in the same channel to create a new task. Select the project name that already exists in your Notion workspace. Keep in mind that only projects created from the supported Notion template will be detected and displayed in Slack. After selecting the correct project, write the task name and complete any additional details, including the assignee, status, priority, or other available properties if necessary. When everything has been entered correctly, click Save to submit the task. Open your Notion workspace to verify that the task created from Slack has been added successfully. This integration helps keep project information synchronized for every team member involved.